Hey bro, your birthday will be next week. What's your plan? Do you want to go outside?
Oh yes, I want to go to the Manila, especially the
Tuloy-tuloy.
Oh, I got you bro. I will book a room on a hotel for a 3 days trip. You can enjoy it.
Thanks in advance, bro. You're the best.
Tatawag ka na, pre.
Good day. Thank you for calling us for hotel. How may I help you?
Good morning. I would like to make a reservation at your hotel.
Sure, then we're gonna get to the same room with the second.
Good morning. Thank you for calling us for the How may I help you?
Hi, I would like to have a reservation for this coming February 25, 27. Is there any available room for the day?
May I know your legal staying here in Asper Hotel, sir?
So from Tuesday to Thursday.
Okay, sir. Legal staying time is from 25th to 27th of February, which is Tuesday to Thursday. For how many rooms your reservation, sir?
Yes. Only one for me and my brother.
Okay, sir. Thank you. We have 8 types of room we can offer to you. The first one is a standard room that costs 2,000 per night, and the suite room that costs 5,000 per night, and we also have the deluxe room that costs 15,000 per night. What room would you like to occupy, sir?
I would like the standard room. Does this room have an inclusion?
Yes, sir. All the types of room here in Asper Hotel have our inclusions. The standard room, the inclusion of this room is the swimming pool pass and the breakfast. We have full Asian cuisine every morning.
Okay, I will take that room. What will be our check-in and check-out?
Well, your check-in time will be February. It can be any time after 2 p.m. And also your check-out time will be on February 27 before 12 noon.
Okay, we will arrive at around 12 noon.
Oh, okay, sir. So you will be at all at 12 noon. We can have you at early check-in.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Okay, sir. I will make a reservation now. May I have your full name, please?
Sure, my name is Ryan Matan.
Can you spell it, sir?
Bryanmansandes.
Thank you, sir. Is this your phone number?
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Alright, sir. Now, may I have your card information, please?
Is Visa credit card is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's 0123456788.
Okay, sir. And also, may I have your email, please?
It's Ansanes Brian, Paranaque Garage at Tayo.ph.
Thank you, Mr. Gonzalez. Your reservation has been made for 3 days from 25th to 27th of February. A standard room with a beach view. I'm ready to check in at 12 noon on February 25th without any charges. Is there anything else I can help you with?
That's right.
Okay, sir. Is there anything else that I can help you with?
That's enough. Thank you. You're great.
It's my pleasure, sir. We will send a complete detailed reservation to you. Have a nice day.